The BMW M2 is getting something seriously exciting. A new street legal track package is in the works, and while full details are still under wraps, teaser photos already reveal a lot to get enthusiasts talking. One glance at the Sao Paulo yellow coupe shows the front and rear ends in camouflage, but that oversized rear wing is impossible to miss. This is not just for show, it signals a more aggressive and focused version of the already potent M2. While the bumpers look mostly like what you would find on the standard M2, there are hints of deeper changes. The front splitter appears to have grown, and the intakes may have been tweaked, but the real action might be happening underneath. Expect improvements to the suspension, brakes, and possibly even the chassis setup. With a twin turbocharged 3-liter inline-6 engine already delivering 473 horsepower in the standard M2, BMW might push things even further for this track-oriented edition. BMW's teaser post hints that this car will push BMW M performance parts to the limit. That could mean an all-in-one package or a menu of individual upgrades to customize your M2 experience. Either way, the excitement is building, and more details will drop next year. If you are a fan of high-performance driving machines, this is one to watch. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on this and other thrilling car news.